Yo, what's up? Welcome back to yet another reaction. Do Melon, do Melon. I think one of the first videos and first songs. No, not the first. Yeah, one off. Okay, one of the videos that shocked me when it came out from Botswana, and the song was like really well done. And oh my goodness, that was I played this song so many times back then. Okay, um, today I am sharing this song with you guys from Botswana. Amantle Brown came to the music scene through a show that is almost like Botswana's Got Talent. No, not Botswana. America's. It's equivalent to the next pop star or something like that. Yes, I think so. I think it's equivalent to the next pop star. And she came in. She didn't obviously make it to the very last, but you know, with this competition, they always reject the people that are most talented. And she took her talents and went, and the rest is history. I'm too excited to share this with you guys. I don't know. I can't even say things right. Anyway, if you're here for the first time, my name is TT. I am from Botswana, and hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell too, so you don't miss any of the uploads on this channel. This song is called Black Mampatile. Black Mampatile is your game hide and seek in English. So, but this one is more like adult hide and seek. Okay, it's not child's play. So hide your kids. I'll try to translate some of the things she's saying. Look at this video. 9 years ago. Wow. Even more. Jack Motloko. The person who recorded this video has gone to be one of the biggest video producers in Botswana. And you can tell, like, he has the talent, right? Like, if you look at these people now, okay, this is the last time I'm pausing this. If you look at these people now, they are grown adults. Here they were just kids taking chances, and it worked. You know what I mean? I don't know. Were they taking chances? I know they had talent, and they just followed their hearts, and it worked. You know? So all these guys, man.
No, I get that. Que kokota moya ko pelo ya. Que kokota moya ko pelo ya. Que bata wena. Que bata wena.
I don't even know if she okay, I said I was gonna pause it. I think I watched it too much, so I kind of want to explain it to you guys. Please go check out Amantle Brown. Let me zoom in so you guys can go to her YouTube page and watch this video. She has more other brilliant songs. She's still super active till today. Very smart, very talented. She could have been anything in life if she had gone other ways. She's academically gifted as well. Genius.
To the hiding, I'ma look for you till I find you. Like I'm a Mampatile, I weepitile. No, I get that. Like I'm a Mampatile, I weepitile. No, I get that. Kokota moya ko pelo ya. in my ear. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I get jet, I get jet. It's time to sun. I get jet, sure. Ooh, 10x only, 10x, be your chance. Ooh, oh yeah. Going to the hiding, I'ma look for you till I find you.
Yo, beautiful stuff. Still brings lots and lots of memories. Ah, wow. Music is a really powerful thing. That was Amantle Brown all the way from Botswana, guys. Please go check out her YouTube page and hit the subscribe button over there. Like her music. She really deserves to be known intercontinentally and globally. I feel like the talent that she has, man. And I think at that time nobody was doing that kind of style of music. And I think she was like the first people in Botswana to do that. She basically started a whole genre. Talk about talent. Anyway, too much glazing, too much. Maybe I'm homesick. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. If you're here for the first time, please hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell too, so you don't miss any of the uploads on this channel, and share this video with your family and friends.